Hi guys, now I'm going to show you a few useful life hacks using a Swiss Army knife and a tin can. First, I'll show you how to make a copy of a key from a tin can. Using the scissors, cut a strip of metal out of the tin can. I've done this many times, and my scissors are still sharp. The metal strip should be big enough to fit the key on it. Now take a key and some masking tape. Stick a piece of tape onto the key. Using the pen from the Victorinox, trace the key directly onto the tape. If your Victorinox doesn't have a pen, use any other pen or pencil. Trace carefully so that every tiny detail is visible. Now peel the tape off the key and stick it onto the metal plate from the tin can. Using the scissors, cut out the key along the traced outline. Cut carefully so that every detail exactly matches the original key. And that's it, the key copy is ready. All that's left is to remove the paper tape. Now let's test it. It works perfectly. The key opens the lock with ease. Let's try again. Great. Now I'll show you how to make a very loud whistle from a tin can in just a couple of minutes. Cut off the bottom of the tin can so it doesn't get in the way. Using the Victorinox scissors, cut out a strip of metal. Now from this strip, make a straight, narrow plate. I made my strip too long, it could have been shorter. Cut one long piece and one short piece. Here's what you should end up with. I'll need this thing to roll the metal. Wrap the short strip around the long one and bend the edges. Bend the edge of the long strip too. Now bend the long edge 90 degrees. Using a stick, roll the long edge into a ring. Cut off the excess. straighten the ring with the stick. Here's what the final result should look like. Use the scissors to widen the opening a little so air passes through better. For the whistle to work, you need to cover the side holes in the ring with your fingers. Now I'll show you how to open a padlock without a key using a tin can. First, cut a narrow strip of metal from the tin can. From this strip, cut 2 smaller strips. Using these, I'm going to open the lock. I'll use a transparent lock so you can see what I'm doing. I assure you, this method works on regular padlocks too. It's a completely ordinary lock, just transparent. So, take the first strip of metal and bend it slightly. Insert it into the lock and push it up to the locking mechanism. The mechanism should release. Now do the same with the second strip and insert it from the other side, because the locking mechanism is on both sides of the lock. And that's it, the lock is open. With a tin can, you can also open handcuffs. Cut out a strip of metal. Now cut a very narrow strip from it. With this strip, you can open handcuffs. Let me show you how. Just insert this strip in here so the ratchet mechanism disengages, and the handcuffs will open. On the second cuff, I made a transparent plate so you can see what's happening inside. The teeth engage, and because of that, the moving part can only move in one direction. Insert the strip between the teeth and the handcuffs open. Now I'll take them off my own hands the same way. This method only works if the ratchet mechanism is not locked. Handcuffs have an additional lock, which makes them much harder to open, but it's not always used. In my previous videos, I showed how to open handcuffs with a Victorinox, even if the ratchet mechanism is locked. If you're lucky and someone put handcuffs on you without locking them, you can open them in a few seconds with this method. And the last thing I'll show is how to make a twig stove from a tin can. Using a can opener, make cuts in the bottom that divide it into 4 parts, like a pizza. Make holes around the circle to improve oxygen circulation. Bend these little triangles upward. You'll be able to put a mug or kettle on them. Now cut out a big opening so a lot of oxygen can get in and it's easy to add wood. And that's it, a small wood-burning stove is ready. Add dry kindling. Light it. Thanks to good oxygen circulation, the fire burns very strongly. You can boil water or cook food on this stove if you have no other options. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and leave likes.